Hey hi All India Radio Mizo lani Chanchinthar achhiar tu Silian sang puya. All Mizoram Village Council Association chuan Finance Ministry in Mizoram VC te tual chung sonatura apek thin chu VC kota ni som panga chunga peturin a phut. Central WMA SRS le Mizoram Medical Representative Association 10 MR lemle danlo anga damdoi shal do huan tum BJP chuan Assam Autonomous Council chu Ramdan pui 6 schedule noya apa ngain athunena alakal pui zel tur thu soi President Ramnath Kovind chuan Jammu and Kashmir in hungbik na dan nukirna Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 chu apom pui All Mizoram Village Council Association chuan Finance Ministry in Mizoram VC te tol chung hasona tura apek thin angin kumsang ni som pasir November Mizoram VC te tan cheng noi sangli zanga somli pali an mu chu VC kota ni som panga chunga peturin le pek chua tai ani chuan RBI rate interest choi turin hriat tirani MVCA hian nimin khan chu simin until phuthi antar langa ansum mu thuri Congress sarkar chungin pek ani lo thuan soya kumin February somni puruk Mizoram VC Compuilian Aizolanea LED Minister Pukelan Lenan Excluded Area Fund VC te nathona tur fund mu tur chu kar ni nuwa khotinin andong vekang ti in atiam nin asoya Mizoram VC Polai Sangthum Kal Khomten hei hi an hriat puyani anti July ni thuma district sang LED officer te hnena he sumhi LED ministerin sema atagram ero vein thlengin VC 10 anam mulo antia LED ministerin atiama tangin thanga chuang ani to a tunogas tharal mangeya Mizoram State Sarkarin Mizoram VC te paisa tur leo cheng viable somli pangale no somli pali pek so ani lo chuan AMVCA ka hruaina in nor an hoi don ti an suya Prime Minister hena Mizoram State Sarkar hekna memorandum thelu an tum thu po an soibok Chief Minister Puzoram thanga hovan nimina cabinet khoma district thar pathum saitol na thele khozol district huam tur khuate pomfelani a he meeting a hian Chief Minister Puzoram thanga Deputy Chief Minister Puton wele Minister dangte antel kimvekani anthure langcho saitol district ka saitol town keifang rul chom le rolungba ka maite molpheng lenchim toizo sifa dilkhan tualbung not lung pher bu ban thanglai lung phulen luangpon phoibuang kholian not is tang nuam daido zong in suang puilon lam her vanbong not kholek ngopa chi apui khokon not is khodung sei lamzol polrang liapui changjol saichal mimbung hriang hun te khang kolbem lailak khanpuite an omani khozol district a chuan aiduzol rabung pamchung khwal en tualpui ngaizol neidon kolkul vankal puilo chhortui vancheng pui dulte riangklei vantlang tangmoi tangpui biate sial hok khohai lungtan chalrang new chalrang chongtlai tualte khozol araule munchengte an omani Nathil district in a huamchin to the chu ropui pangzol tiltlang south chongtui tarpo khori aithur cherhlun old ngarchip new ngarchip thingsai bolpui h south lungleng den lung sub village leite mauder sub village tiamin rotlang is tuipui di darzo molian pui lungpui tlang south vanai phai nathil chip hir bolpui vi lungmore phaileng south te anni zote south de kang hun south tu na lungle district chung mi te hi serchep district a anom to ang ti ani bok district area Trenfell ani ba ka hian department sang atanga rotna lutte ngai to soi hawani a home department atanga draft Mizoram fire emergency services rules 2019 ne World War II home veterans le me thai te second Assam regiment disband personnel te chom don ti pun te chu pomani a Art and Culture atanga Mizoram Ancient Monuments and Remains Rules 2003 siam thattura proposal lut chu pom ani bok Central WMA SRS le Mizoram Medical Representative Association MMRA 10 Medical Representative lemle danlo anga damdoi shal chungcha an soi howa he meeting hi SRS convener purone thangan akai shuaya heroin theito pa umania atomim deuta ka pharmaceutical drugs a hlor chho hle ani atia chumia wangchon SRS noya pharmaceutical abuse drugs squad PADS din ani thu asoiba ka danlo anga damdoi pechuak drug license holder pani cancel tir tura umzui mek ani thu asoi purone thanga chuan make Aizawl city clean and safe ti thu puya mangin Aizawl khopui then fai tumin the top chuin a chuna zana man nak thin thu soin rui hlo ngai te tharau chan chu ani theinan gospel camping a po ming mazat an da lu to thu soya Central Women Vice President Kumpuan Chairman ni bok Puaral ngata chuan thalai then khat an dam doi e po hre chiang lo arui thei ti an hriat wanga e ve tamai anom thin thu soya dam doi mom chi a hluar chuan OD a thi an tam pha thin thu soin MMRA tenen thohuna thatak nei atul thu soi Mizoram Medical Representative Association MMRA President Pulal Fingfela roi te chuan MR nia in chhal MMRA ya inziak lu chilo ri hlowa in nam hnoi dan lo anga dam toi lo hral ruwa MMRA ti ming chezonga che an om thin chu soin heng dan lo anga dam doi zo te kumhni chung an hremba ka tharuk chung na thok theilowa an siam thin thu an soi ani Central Women SRS no PADS member tele MMRA te chuan ramle tam chan na na thei top chu malak an tum thu an soya heti lai hian Central Women SRS no Pharmaceutical Abuse Drug Squad te chuan Voin Khan Dong Pharmacy lower zar ko tangin tramadol mum sin khat sang thum jasri somseri an mana drugs controller hmena an hlan ani Zoram People's Movement chuan chaltlang ZPM candidate tur Voin Khan an puanga Aizol not one bill to MLA pu van hlan chuan candidate atan PRL sang pui chaltlang veng la chu local council by election ZPM candidate ani tur thua puanga PRL sang pui chuan khotlang tan thnem nga taka tha tho theina na candidate tan an somna pomani thu soin thale zongna staka man theinan chaltang mi pui zongjong te ama vote turin som hal bokani Mizoram Merchant Association Mima General Headquarters roi tu chuan tukin khan namdang dornia an hriata te lu chuakin a building nei thu te hna ngen na lekha pe namdang an building lo ti lo turin an nge na hi Mizo nam ralo na na ni anti Mima President Pupi Silin thara chuan an pol chuan Mizoram le nam a vei hleya sumdong te an har chho zela namtan thil tam takan thok towa thuan oi to hle bokani atia kongchiat wangemo ban wang emowa Mizoram motor alo lu thei lo om changin mi main thil ti to lo tura angen na chu an zom tha to hleya tun lai po hian silcha road mol khang ram chu na sataka amina wangin thakhat don kong aping to a sumdong te mani thil nei sa ti to lo tura mi main angen na chu an zom tha in thil ti to anom thu report omlo atia simen ero dealer ten asan pa motor te hayarin tang konga kalin phur ani awangin cheng somnga samrukin beka anti tawa mi puipuin an ngai thiam hle ni atia ramle nam himna tur ngai to chungchanga thalai te po an har atul to tak zetani atibok sarkar le Central Women ten ILP an indika ILP nei lo tam tak an mana an thon kir chu tha antia chuti rolin ILP chu khirtaka kalpui ni lo chuan an thon kir te po anno kir le de ovekang ti arin om hiala chu wangin ILP khirle zul kalpui an mamoin atul tak zetani antibok kal khom hi mun ni in thenin dor somni vel to chuangin na lekha pe ngal zelani a kar le lama chun zom le ani yang an ti ani Chanchinthar hi All India Radio aizol tanga pon ani BJP chon Assam Autonomous Council chu Ramdan pui sik schedule noi apa ngain athun ena ala kalpui zel tur thu an soi All India Radio in soi hona hun abot sa BJP thu puang tu Dr. Numal Momin chuan Congress chu thu diklo the dara pu in sarkar lai pui articles thum sam seri pakhat na nu ki don ti in thu diklo an the dar tia State Chief Minister Hlui Tarun Gogoi chon article zathum sam seri na nu kirin in hu khan BJP ten Assam in hung big na schedule porok na chu an khoi ve don ti in mi puya soi thaini atia opposition te chon he marcha ka hetiang thu diklo hi an the dar ni in Dr. Momin chuan asoi bok President Ramnath Kovind chuan Jammu and Kashmir in hung big na dan nu kirna Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 chu pompui Union Ministry of Law and Justice chuan Nimin Khan gazetted notification chu in he dan hi manin ingal thu taran ani a he dan hian Jammu and Kashmir chu Union Territory pahnia thenin Ladakh Union Territory siam telani a Jammu and Kashmir hian rodal in legislature ani line Ladakh ro chon nei lawa Union Home Ministry chuan Union Territory pahnia te hi kumin October ni somthum pakhat atangin ataka kalpui tan ani tur thu ta lang ani Chanchinthar Sir ti topnan atlang pui All Mizoram Village Council Association chuan Finance Ministry in Mizoram VC te tol chung masona tur apek thin chu VC kota ni sompanga chunga peturina phut Central Women SRS le Mizoram Medical Representative Association 10 MR lemle dan lo anga damdoishal do howan tum BJP chu na Assam Autonomous Council chu ramdan pui strict schedule noya pa ngain athun ena alakal pui zel tur thuwa soi President Ramnath Kovind chuan Jammu and Kashmir in hung big na dan no kirna Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 chu apompui chu ti zong chu Chanchinthar kan pon thei chu ni